So 3, in 3, 2, 1.
That's what you call a real thunderball. Remember, all JD added was enough explosive to rupture the tank and ignite the gas. The rest was pure propane. Buster thought lucky to have kept his head. The tank's been blown to smithereens.
Wow! Oh, dude! Right home. It's like, whoop. That's crazy.
Where's the top?
The top is over there.
Mythbusters, was this a successful day?
Absolutely fantastic. I'm happy.
Let's walk off in the sunset. Good day.
Wow.
You know, we got a few more of those cans of propane.
And you can bet we're going to use them, because this Bond myth ain't over yet. Stay